Now we move ahead, which is the third one, the tertiary crease or accelerating creep. As the name suggests, it must be having increasing nature. Okay, the description: the rapid increase in strain leading to the final failure. So here what happens after secondary, if the material has entered into the third stage, it means the failure is confirmed. Okay, so that, I mean, that's why we must have to ensure, you know, any repair or what kind of the things that if we want to save, then we must have to stop creeping in the second stage only. Because in the third stage, it's not just increasing; it's just accelerating. Accelerating with what? They are just increasing at a very high rate. Okay, so it is a rapid increase in strain leading to the final failure. So it is, having the rapid increase at a very high rate in the strain, and that's why the material will fail very soon. Okay. So what are the cause? What the reason? The formation of the internal voids, grain boundaries, separation, grain boundary separations. Okay, micro, and I have already made you know that what is grain boundary separations, what is the formation of the internal voids, and lot in first unit. Okay, micro cracks and necking. These are the cause of tertiary creeps. If we talk about the effects, then leads to the rupture. Rupture means the failure of materials. So here, the third stage that we get as a material failed. Okay. So during the application part, we cannot go with the third stage. We must have to repair the material during the second stage. First stage, that is not concern about that because they get over by itself. Okay, but we do the work hardening. But in second stage, they are having the constant strain rate. Okay, so in this duration, we must have to take care of the component. Okay, but if the material or the component has entered into the third stage, it means we have no chance. Okay, the material will fail very soon. So we must have to look at the second stage.